Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Joffer, and today I will show you how to parameterize an FB for tank heaters. In our past videos, we have created a sequence which automatically fills the tank. And for example, if you have a process where the tanks have to be heated up to some demanding temperature. So now in this video we are going to make an FB for the heating of those tanks. To do that, first of all, we are going to create an FB. We name our FB heater ready. We choose SCL as a language. Put our variables, enable, temperature V, SP minus, and highest, or maybe highest. And now temperature, because it's for 7 or 8 tanks, we choose array of real. If you have more than 7 tanks, you can just add it here. We have in the past we have created 7. The automatic filling system was for 7 tanks, so now we are creating 7 temperature variables for 7 tanks. So we choose 7, and now we choose it also as real, the minus temperature, or we will up to 50 degrees. Now let's do it like this, and we'll come back to this one. And I will put 1. But we can change it anytime. We go to our output, we declare CMD, and also array of boolean 1 to 7, because we have 7 pumps. And now ready, it's also for 7 pumps and 7 tanks. So again, we are declaring a static variable, which is an integer. Okay, now we are going to the interface for I equals to 1, 2. For example, if you have 8 or 7 or 100, no problem. 7 tanks, 2. Okay. If not enable, then heater CMD, we choose the I equals to false, and then ready I equals to false, else we just simple of heat control, yes. And now if temperature V I oh, to minus S, I think SP min, yeah, minus S. Okay, let's do it then. Heater CMD I equals to true, else if temperature this is temp V. Okay, we take temp V. Okay, and also the I comes when it's heater, and then I then heater. Here I think we should do it with bigger or equal to SP plus AS, then heater CMT. I think we have to put it right near the true. Alright. Else if here temperature bigger equals to SP minus plus, then heater has to be off. No, we don't forget because it's a loop. And already I equals to temperature. Again, we have to put here the I temperature I make it bigger or equals to SP minus. End of the code. Now we are going to call our FB in OB1. It was the automatic filling system, and now we are going to automatic heating system, save and tags. Alright. Okay. We give it number 1. This system you can call it also PID control. So, and let's download our program to our simulator. Alright. And now I'll just temperature. The static we don't need. Okay. And now I will just space here. Enable heater. It's true. All the heater are true. So when we put here up to 50, it's tank number 1 is ready, the water is ready to use, or maybe you have another liquid inside your tank, or name it, anything you want to put inside your tank, and when the temperature gets up to 50 degrees, and it will let you know that the tank is ready. And for example, we do it the same, second tank 50, tank number 2 is also ready, do it with third tank 2 also. So this is our heating system. We have tested it, we have written the code, and it's working. And the next video, I have promised one video for designing an HMI for the automatic filling tanks, and now I will also promise one another video to connect this to FB and show the value on an HMI. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video or it's usable, it's been usable uh, content for you, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and I will be thankful. So I support, you support, I'm supporting with the industrial automation, and you are going to support me with commenting, liking, and sharing this video, guys. So thank you very much, and have